Hello everyone, I'm Monica Sawing, a student from the Bachelor of Management study program at Pertiwi University. Today, I'm to present my research analysis of the factor of work, professionalism, and employee engagement on turnover intention in generation Y and Z. Background. This research is motivated by the increasing phenomenon of turnover intention, which refers to employees' intention to leave their company. This has become one of the major challenges in human resource management. This condition can lead to higher recruitment and training costs, lower productivity, and the loss of experienced and competent employees. Today's workforce is dominated by Generation Y and Generation Z, who have different characteristics, value, and work expectation compared to previous generations. Generation Y tends to prioritize career development and work-life balance, while Generation Z prefer flexibility and fast feedback in their workplace. Several previous studies have shown that work professionalism and employee engagement play important roles and influencing turnover intention. However, studies examining these two factors simultaneously among Generation Y and Generation Z are still limited. Therefore, this research aims to analyze the influence of work professionalism and employee engagement on turnover intention among Generation Y and Generation Z employees. Next, problem identification. 1. High turnover intention among Generation Y and Generation Z. 2. Differences in generational characteristics affect employee loyalty. 3. Employee professionalism has not yet reached an optimal level. 4. Employee engagement varies among employees. 5. There are still limited studies comparing Generation Y and Generation Z regarding these issues. Next, research problem. This study focused on examining the level of work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention among Generation Y and Generation Z employees. In addition, it investigates the influence of work professionalism and employee engagement on turnover intention, both individual and simultaneously, while also identifying whether the effects differ between the two generations. Next, research objectivities. This study aims to analyze the levels of work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention among Generation Y and Generation Z employees. It also seeks to examine the effects of work professionalism and employee engagement on turnover intention, both individual and simultaneously, and to analyze whether these effects differ between the two generations. Next, research benefits. 1. Theoretical benefit. Theoretical, this study is expected to contribute to the development of human resource management literature, particularly in the area of work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention. It is also expected to serve as a reference for future studies on organizational behavior and the workforce characteristics of a generation Y and generation Z. Next, literature review. This study is based on the concept of human research management, organizational behavior, and social exchange theory. Human research management emphasizes the importance of effectively managing human resources to achieve organizational goals. Organizational behavior helps explain employees' attitudes and behavior in their workplace, including work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention. Meanwhile, social exchange theory suggests that the relationship between employees and organization is both the reciprocity. Organizational support and positive work environment encourage loyalty and engagement, while reducing employees' intention to leave the company. Therefore, relationship between work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention among generation Y and generation Z employees. Next are research variables. This study uses two independent variables, namely work professionalism X1 and employee engagement X2, and one dependent variable, turnover intention Y. Work professionalism reflects employees' ability to perform their tasks competently, responsibly, with discipline and integrity in accordance. Next, conceptual framework. This study assumes that work professionalism and employee engagement influence turnover intention. Employees with a high level of professionalism tend to be more responsible, disciplined, and commitment to their work, resulting in a lower intention to leave the organization. Likewise, employees with high engagement are more likely to demonstrate stronger loyalty and work enthusiasm, which can reduce turnover intention. Therefore, this study examines the influence of work professionalism and employee engagement on turnover intention among generation Y and generation Z employees. Next, literature review. One, research instrument. The instrument used in this study was a questionnaire compiled based on indicator of work professionalism, employee engagement, and turnover intention. Measurements were conducted using a like scale ranging from 1 to 5 to determine respondents' level of agreement with each statement. 2. Data collection techniques. Data collection was carried out by distributing questionnaires to respondents who meet the research criteria, namely generation Y and generation Z employees. In addition, this study also used literature studies by reviewing books, scientific journalists, artists list, and relevant previous research to strengthen the theoretical basis and support the discussion of research results. Next, data analysis methods. The data obtained from the questionnaire distribution will be analyzed using SPSS software. The analysis stage begins with descriptive analysis to describe the characteristics of respondents and the condition of the research instrument, followed by classical assumption tests, including normality, multicollinearity, and heteroscedasticity test. After that, multiple linear regression analysis is conducted to examine the effects of work professionalism and employee engagement on turnover intention. This is supported by the test, p-test, and coefficients of determination. Next, research variables. This study uses two independent variables, namely work professionalism x1 and employee engagement x2, and one dependent variable, turnover intention y. Work professionalism reflects employees' ability to perform their duties completely, responsibly, with discipline and integrity in accordance with organizational standards. Employee engagement refers to employees' emotional attachment, enthusiasm, dedication, and commitment to both their work and organization. Meanwhile, turnover intention refers to employee tendency of intention to leave their organization and seek employment elsewhere. These variables are used to examine how work professionalism and employee engagement influence turnover intention among Generation Y and Generation Z employees. Next, previous research. General previous studies have shown the employee engagement and working condition significantly influence intention among both Generation Y and Generation Z employees. The working condition and the work environment are important factors affecting turnover intention among Generation Z employees. Caroline and Saretmo, 2004, reported that employee engagement influence turnover intention through job satisfaction. Kusumawati et al. 2001 also found a relationship between employee engagement and turnover intention among millennials and employee engagement and turnover intention among millennials and Generation Z. In addition, Pramushinta et al. 2020. Next, previous research. General previous studies have shown the employee engagement and working condition significantly influence turnover intention among both Generation Y and Generation Z employees. Hasna et al. 2025 found that working conditions and the work environment are important factors affecting turnover intention among Generation Z employees. Caroline and Saretmo, 2025-24, reported the employee engagement influence turnover intention through job satisfaction. Kusumawati and et al. 2021 also found a relationship between employee engagement and turnover intention among millennials and Generation Z. In addition, from Sinta et al. 2024 explained that employee engagement is one of the factors influencing employees' intention to leave their organization. Based on the findings, this study focused in examining the influence of work, professionalism, and employee engagement on turnover intention among Generation Z and Generation Z employees. And next, conclusion. Based on previous theoretical studies and research, work professionalism and employee engagement are thought to influence turnover intention in Generation Y and Generation Z. Therefore, this study was conducted to examine the influence of these two variables on turnover intention in Generation Y and Generation Z. Thank you.